The Trump administration has announced a controversial new policy aimed at accelerating its mass deportation strategy. Immigrants in the US illegally who voluntarily return to their home countries will now be eligible for $1,000 in financial assistance, along with a free plane ticket if they register through the new CBP Home App. DHS Secretary Kristi Noem says that the offer is the safest and most cost-effective option for illegal immigrants to avoid arrest and deportation. Those who opt in will be deprioritized for detention and enforcement, according to Homeland Security officials. This move comes as the Trump campaign doubles down on immigration control, making it a key 2024 campaign promise. The administration is asking Congress for massive new funding for ICE, but also hopes this initiative will encourage voluntary self-deportation and reduce strain on federal resources. Critics are already calling this a bribe to leave, while supporters say it is a practical alternative to forced removal. Time will tell whether this strategy catches on or backfires on the court of public opinion.